Tonight, there is crystal clear surveillance video that shows you just how fast thieves can install those little credit card skimmers.
Yeah, you're going to be surprised by this. Simply Money's Amy Wagner has the story and some important advice in this consumer alert.
Well, we've all heard of credit card skimmers, but you might imagine thieves install them in the dead of night, or at least when no one else is around. Not so, as this shocking surveillance video proves. Police in Lower Pottsgrove, Pennsylvania, northwest of Philadelphia, released this video in their search for a pair of thieves installing skimmers at checkout lanes in Aldi stores there. In this video, captured by store surveillance cameras, you see one of the thieves looking a little fidgety as the cashier rings up his order. His accomplice stands next to him, providing a little cover. Then watch as the thief slips the skimmer out of his jacket and in one smooth move, clicks it in place on top of the checkout keypad. It's all over in literally just a second, with the cashier and other shoppers none the wiser. And here are the actual skimmers used in this, courtesy of Krebs On Security's investigation. They're called overlay skimmers, designed to look just like the terminal's keypad, except when shoppers swipe their cards and type in PIN numbers, the skimmer captures that data too, allowing thieves to steal it and make duplicate cards. So what can you do to protect yourself? Well, police say it's a good idea to pull a little on a card reader before you swipe, as thieves sometimes only attach the skimmers with tape. If it feels loose, don't use it. But your best defense is to always use credit cards rather than debit at the checkout and gas pumps, another favorite target. The Simply Money point, most credit cards offer much better fraud protection than debit cards, especially if you don't notice the fraud right away. For Fox 19 Now and Simply Money, I'm Amy Wagner.